School and its memories.
The one thing that I miss the most about school is discussing ghost stories, discussing them, getting petrified by them. It was one of the best.
What do I miss the most about school? I would say the punishments. I still remember how every day how my friend and I used to stand in front of the classrooms because our teacher used to punish us for being so talkative.
I miss the most is my maths teacher. My God. And his undying love for me, unconditional love for me.
I miss eating the best dosa and the best golgappa in the world, both in under ₹5.
I really miss the whole batch of 12th arts and the way it made me feel absolutely free.
I miss the most about school would be the last 2 periods जो बुलेटिन बोर्ड बनाने के लिए मिलता था. कोई सेपरेट परमिशन नहीं चाहिए होता था. बस हम लोग अपना सामान उठा के बाहर जाते थे, बोर्ड बनाते थे, मस्ती करते थे.
I miss the entire bunch of 61, 62 students who used to unite either to piss a teacher or to get an extra free class.
सबसे ज़्यादा याद आती है कैंटीन की और वहाँ के समोसे और चाट की, चुरमुर और जितने भी बदमाशियाँ हम लोग करते थे ब्रेक टाइम में.
One thing that I miss the most about school is bunking in the auditorium just in the name of dance practice.
Getting to see my friends at school every day, meeting without plans, without reservations is probably the part of school life that I miss the most.
The question was, what is the one thing I miss the most about school? So it's obviously the school canteen.
My best friends and roaming around with a paper and pen in my hand pretending that I have work, but we were just bunking, so yeah.
I miss Abha miss.
I miss the energy of NDA itself, the task of waking up at 5 a.m. in the morning and being so happy and energetic to reach the bus stop at 6 a.m. I just miss it.
This question's difficult because I miss a lot of things about school. But the thing that I miss the most about school is my friends and the fact that I could see them almost every day.
I miss walking in the big field, thinking about life, the 20-minute lunch sessions that we had, wherein we would, eat and play all those stupid games. So, and then, looking forward to longer breaks.
I miss my best friends and I miss hanging out with them every day. Like now I can't really see them face to face or anything, so I think that's the thing that I miss most about school.
Oh boy, there are a lot of things, but the most I miss is bunking classes with Khushbu and Manisha.
Friends, gossip, golgappe.
The most missed thing about Notre Dame should be and has to be the chole and samosa chaat from Notre Dame Academy's canteen and the churmur, of course.
What I miss most about school is lunch break. That's like the best time. And honestly, I think dismissal se zyada I always waited for the lunch break because we would meet and then rant about all stuff.
What I miss the most about school would be Christmas assemblies, Preeti Miss, and Teachers' Day, especially the Teachers' Day when I was in 12th grade.
It definitely has to be कि कैसे हम लोग को फ्री पीरियड मिलता था और लोग ओलंपियाड दे रहे और हम लोग अलग मस्ती कर रहे भाई.
One thing that I miss most about school would be the classes. Like I miss talking inaudibly to my benchmate while Miss was teaching and cracking lame jokes all the time.
One thing which I loved about school was the free periods that we got. And all of
was enjoying as hell.
What I miss the most about school is, actually I miss a lot of things, but what I miss the most is being that carefree, not having to think about how much you need to earn to sustain yourself, and of course friends.
I was getting ready for school, wearing that uniform, and then always end up getting late.
3 things that I miss the most about school. सबसे पहले कैंटीन का खाना, bunking classes, and of course dismissal के बाद बहुत सारी बातें. तो yeah, like these 3 things, super favorite.
Best memories of my school life. My friend, and we share such a good bond, and like we are like sisters. And her name is Dilisha.
Those chit chats which we did sitting in the sick room, or spending all the time gossiping in girls' washroom, or everything, yeah.
I miss the whole excitement of Children's Day. I miss preparing those dances for Appreciation Day, Teachers' Day, and how we got the free pass to bunk whichever classes we didn't like, because yeah, we were preparing for those dances. I miss my friends a lot.
The things that I miss from school would definitely be Bulbul Mrs. Art lessons. I miss those so much all throughout primary section, and canteen food.
What I miss most about school is zero period and singing period. Oh, where have you been, Bailey boy, Bailey boy? Never got it right.
From running to grab the swing in the lunch break to staying in the washroom for those extra 5 minutes so we could excuse ourselves from those boring classes, or to hiding in chapel, or being caught in the morning assembly for being talkative or laughing, or being punished together along with your friends. School must have not been the best part of our life, but it has certainly given us one of the most memorable memories of our lifetime. And I hope this video could encourage all of you to get back in touch with your school friends. We've all moved on in life with our things, and in this journey, one thing that has not changed is the bond that we share with our school friends, and the bond that we created during school, but it has sustained. And I hope this video does encourage you to get back in touch with them, call them, text them, talk to them, and it also helps in bringing a smile to all of your faces. And thank you for watching.